Alright guys, so yesterday's giveaway was a success. The winners and the giveaways yesterday was the table, and we got a few phone holders, and then the box. And then we also got a special giveaway for one of the subscribers. If you have one, please send me an inbox so I can courier your prize to you. The next giveaways will be on the end of this month. Please comment down below what else I should make for giveaways. Also remember, none of these giveaways is sponsored by Facebook or Meta in any way. If somebody is going to sponsor me with steel or anything, I would mention that person's name in the videos. If you subscribe, that also helps a lot for next builds. So the next giveaways will be end of this month. So the winners was, for the first phone holder was Janice Yuan. Second phone holder winner was Paula Costa. Third phone holder was Marty Marx. And then the big box with the phone, the wallet holder, key holder. Now the winner of that was Willem Westhuizen. And then the winner of the table. The winner of the table is Denise Hatting. Thank you all for your comments. Thanks everybody for the engagement. And please comment below what else should I make for giveaways. What should I make next?